This time of year you'll have started harvesting, so this month's magazine we've been looking at trugs, and as you can see below there's quite a varied number of models out there which you can use, and we've got 7 here and we're just going to have a look at 3 of them.
Yeah.
So what have you got there, Emma?
Well, this one's from the basket company, and it's a willow basket. What a lovely looking basket. And
good quality, isn't it?
Really good quality. I think this one is particularly good for cut flowers, because obviously you don't want to damage the stems, so they'd line here very nicely. Put it on your arm and pick them and off you go. But I think it's all quite good for vegetables as well. Because sometimes I find you don't want to, if you're picking a few things, you don't want them all on top of each other.
Yeah, that's right.
So it's quite nice to spread them out. And it's a nice strong basket.
Yeah,
so
very stylish, that one.
Nice,
Very
nice.
nice.
Steve, what have you got?
Well, I've got a set of 4 tub trugs from the Organic Gardening catalogue, and I think these are brilliant around the garden.
They are.
Use
Can't
them
beat
for
them.
so many things. I mean, I always use them when I'm weeding, put weeds in there, carrying water, compost. Yeah, marvellous, as well as harvesting, of course, if you're going around and harvesting your veg, useful for that too. And a nice range of colours as well.
Yeah, brighten up the patch, won't it?
Lots of different sizes as well, they do, don't they?
Yes, they do.
Yeah,
Really useful.
But so versatile, aren't they?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Wonderful.
And
Yeah,
last for years.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. So I do like those.
Okay, this one from Harrod Horticultural, sort of garden trug. I've not come across one of these before, but it's quite versatile. So you can use it for, harvesting your veg. It's perforated, so you can actually wash your veg after you've done it, which is great, like colander.
Yeah.
And then also, if you want to stack it in your pantry or wherever, kitchen, you can actually stand it up. And not just that, what's even better about it, you can buy more of these and you can actually stack them one on top of each other.
Really good for storing apples and all sorts in there.
Yeah.
Storage rack there as well.
Yeah. So really good product there.
Yeah.
So have a look and see what's on offer, and hopefully there's something for you.